Okay, hello guys, right? I hope that you have watched my first tutorial. So this is my second tutorial on how to upload your publications in PRiSMA, right? So you have to click PRiSMA here, okay? And what PRiSMA will do is that PRiSMA will take you to this interface now, okay? This is the new one, right? Because what UiTM is practicing now is a single sign-in, yeah? So if you have registered, it's fine. If you have not registered, you have to click on first time login, yeah? So it's a simple thing, you can get it done, right? So you click in your staff ID and then password. Okay, usually your password, okay, depends on you. I can't show you my password, yeah, just kidding. So you sign in, yeah? So now you're already into your PRiSMA account. So what you have to do is that you want to upload your articles. You will click on publication record, yeah, over here. In publication record, you go to add new publications, yeah. Now, so let's say we are going to upload a journal article. You can choose your publications, yeah, and you click add, yeah. So let's say I'm going to pick an article called okay, economy growth of Malaysia. Okay, so just verify. Okay, so what PRiSMA is going to do now is going to check whether this article is already, this title, whether it's already available in PRiSMA or not. So you can check. Nah, this is not the one, not the one, not the one, because sometimes your co-authors would have included the title, right? So you need to verify them. Okay, so we can see there are quite a number. Never mind, we'll just click all of them. Is there no, we don't, we have to do it all one by one. Yeah, you just click. No, it's none of this. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, done. Right, so you proceed. Okay, so you're already at this interface. Now remember guys, sometimes most of us what we do is that we go to our article, we copy our title and we just paste there. Now if you are doing that, please remember when you come to this section here, you're going to reach assess your title because sometimes some of the characters are missing. Okay, and that is common mistake, yeah, I'm highlighting to you. So please double confirm your title that every single wording is there. Sometimes what happen is that the two words are joining. You need to check and clear that, yeah, because remember this is going to appear in your profile later, right? So you put in the journal title. Let's say I put here ABC. Okay, journal type, your full paper, media, let's say electronic. Okay, publication date. Now some journals will tell you exactly when it was published, 2nd May, 3rd May, 4th June, but some might not tell you. It's just month, January, February. So I said, let's say if it's March, they have not given you any date, you just put there first March. Yep. So quartile, okay, you need to put your quartile here, right? Q1 or Q4. Remember in the first tutorial I've already taught you. Let's say if it's going to be Web of Science, okay, what you can do is you can click on the journal and you can know what is a quartile. Easy, yeah. So let's say we assume it's Q1. Okay, ISSN, okay, you can either get it from your article or you can get it from here. Okay, what is the ISSN? Okay, let's say this is electronic. Okay, we put it here. Okay, so you paste here. Now remember, only put the ISSN number. Most of you, what you do is that you also put here ISSN. Don't do that. Just only the number. Okay, you can put the DOI. Okay, publisher, who's the publisher? Okay, what is the volume 2? What is the issue? Let's say issue number 6. Okay, page number, let's say 3, right up to 10. Okay, so publication level, if it's an international journal, you put it international, you can select. Referee, okay, yes, yeah, okay. Is it open to access or not open access? Okay, if it's open access, you can put it open access. Author's affiliation as stated in publication. So if you're the main author, you state the main author. Okay, you click next. Okay, we are waiting. Oh, sorry, save. You need to save first. Okay, so I'm the first author. And now, let's say you want to add a UiTM author. Okay, so either you can use their ID or their name. Okay, so let's say I'm going to add a lecturer. Let's say Chua Su Cheng. Okay, search. Okay, so her name is available, Chua Chu Cheng. Okay, Chua Su Cheng. I have to pronounce it properly. She's my friend. Okay, you add. Okay, so this is what you can do. Now, sometimes when you find the name, you won't be able to get the name. So I suggest ask your co-authors what is their staff ID. That will be the best. Okay, please don't leave it blank, because if you don't key in for your co-authors, then it will not appear in their profile. Pity them, right? So I suggest if you can't search for their name, ask for their staff ID. Yeah, so that's option. And let's say if your author is an excellent author, then you click excellent author, you just put here Ramli. Okay, add author. Okay, so now I need to set the sequence. So I'm the first author, Chua is second, and Ramli is third. Save. Yeah, so you're done. Next. Okay, so here. So assuming my article was in Web of Science. Okay, so what I have to do? I need to put the link here. So which is the link? If Web of Science, remember, I have to click on the article. Okay, and this is the link. I have to copy, go back to PRiSMA, and paste here. Done. If, let's say, my article is in Scopus. Okay, let's say my article, I delete this, or it was not Web of Science. Then, so it was in Scopus. Okay, I did, assuming I did a mistake just now. So it's Scopus, you click Scopus. What you do is that we have to go to Scopus here. See, document details. You click here, copy, okay, and you paste the link there. Go to PRiSMA, you paste here. Okay, done. This is the link that we want. Okay, and same thing goes. If let's say it was my journal, then you can go to my journal and paste. Okay. Now, what would happen is that some of the articles you have already published, okay, but the link is no longer, sorry, it's not available, okay, or your journal have not submitted your papers to the journal. So what you can do is, okay, you just click here, the publication is not yet listed. So it means that you're trying to inform that the journal is Scopus, but your publication is not available in the database yet. So you can do that. But remember, what you have to do is, once the paper is already in the database, you have to go back to your PRiSMA and provide the link. Because until you don't provide the link, the library is not going to approve your paper. Okay, so remember that it's applicable for all, whether Scopus, Web of Science, okay, or others. Yeah, so you have many options here. Okay, that's what you can do. So you click save. Yeah, so everything is done. Okay, save done. Next. Okay, and okay, I think there's another one thing where you need to upload. Yeah, sorry, let's just go back. Here, yeah, this is a very important part. Publication evidence, yeah. Before you're providing the index, you need to provide publication evidence. Now, let's see what are the evidence that you need to provide. Yeah, let me just open this file here. Now, just now we were working with a journal article, right? Okay, so if it's a journal article, what you need to do is that you need to upload your full article. Okay, and if your ISSN number is in your article, then it's fine. But if your ISSN number is not included in the article, then you need to provide a separate evidence showing the ISSN number. Where can you get it? You can go to the journal website, you just search for the ISSN number, you screenshot, and you upload the screenshot that you have taken. Yeah, so remember, you have to do both. Yeah, because when I'm checking, I'm going to check for this evidence. But let's say if you're uploading a conference proceeding, okay, now what do we need? We need the front cover of the proceeding. Why? We need to validate the conference name. The It's not data. Okay, what we want to validate here is going to be the date. Okay, we want to validate the date. Yeah, we need the date, the venue of your conference, and the organizer. Okay. Next, you also need to provide the table of content. So probably the table of content, there are a few pages, but only show the table of content that is exactly showing your paper. Yeah. And then the front page of your paper in that particular proceeding, the back page to show the ISBN number. Okay, so you see, usually for conference proceeding, it'll be ISBN. Okay, and lastly, you need to upload your full proceeding paper. Okay, if it's not a paper, if it's an abstract, same thing. Okay, these are the things that you have to take note. Okay, we'll be looking into all this evidence. So you can either upload them all one by one, or the best would be you combine all these things into one document. Yeah, so remember. And let's say if you are uploading, okay, a book publication or book chapters, what do we need? Same thing again. We need the front cover of the book, okay, or the book chapter. We need the title page. We need the table of content, okay, showing your chapter. Okay, if it's a book in chapters, then we need the exact page, okay, that is showing your chapter. We need the front page of your chapter. Okay, that means if your chapter is in the book, then please, okay, we need the front page of your chapter only. You don't have to put the whole thing. Okay, and then we need the back page showing the ISBN. Okay, but let's say if the entire book is based on you wrote the entire book, you're the author, right? Then we don't need the front page of your chapter. Okay, so please, yeah, don't go and upload the entire book, the entire chapter. No, that's not what we are looking for. We just want the evidence. Okay, because if everyone start uploading their book, their chapters, then can you see it's going to clog the entire server. Okay, so we don't want to do that. Yeah, so this is the only evidence that we need. Yeah. Okay, so going back to the PRiSMA here, so what you need to do is that you need to choose the file, okay, and upload the evidence according to your type of publication. Journal article, book, chapters in book, depending. Okay, so for example, let's say in my case here, I can upload any journal article here and upload. Okay, and next, okay, you have to click here. I certify that the information provided in this application is true and correct. So once I click here, done. Okay, back. Okay, okay, right, because I'm also the PRiSMA coordinator, so once you have uploaded, I'll be able to view all your information. Okay, so please, yeah, try to follow all these what they call that simple instructions, and please upload the correct evidence. Then it will be much more easier, right? So I hope that this tutorial will be helpful. Looking forward for your PRiSMA uploads, and my personal suggestion is, if you have uploaded your paper, please notify me, please WhatsApp me, yeah, and so that I can immediately validate your paper, right? So the one validating papers at the faculty, it's either me or it's Dr. Azrin Roslan. Yep. So thank you very much.